Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on earthquake alerts in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To access our earthquake alerts, we have to go to Settings, then we are looking for Location here, and here we have Location Services. In this little menu here, we have a few options. By default, our earthquake alerts are turned on. If for whatever reason it's turned off, we can just go to this little menu and enable it. Even if your location does not have earthquakes, it's better to have it. Or if we want to just turn it off for whatever reason, even if we have earthquakes in our area, you can do it by going in this menu. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.